Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got some plates that I picked up from Beauty Big Bang. There's their online site, but Beauty Big Bang stamping plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I picked up 6 and they do come with blue film on them. I'm not going to take it off until I'm ready to use them. And but you will want to, pull it up from the corner, take it off and clean the plate before you use it first. So I've taken some pictures of these, hoping that maybe that will work better for video purposes. So I will quit yakking right here and get into the slideshow and get some more yakking. So that is what I've got for you today. Hang on just a moment. Alrighty, this one is Beauty Big Bang XL100, very celestial. And then next we have Ancient XL001. Kind of hard to see these images, but they're very cool. This one is Dot Lines XL001. It's not stamped out good on the plate. And then we have Beauty Big Bang Flowers XL007. It's not flowers, it's like an Irish plate. And then Galaxy XL002. Very cute. Lots of cool images. And the last one here is Texture XL003. So be looking forward to some manis with these plates coming soon. Alrighty, so that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. I will have a link for Beauty Big Bang down below if you're interested. And I will see you next time. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.